It's not spicy at all. Tidak pedas sama sekali, tambah dong sambalnya. Bagaimana?
Karai.
Jangan pakai bahasa Jepang dong, ini saya tidak mengerti ya.
It's so good. It's so tender. And the beef literally just melts in your mouth.
Ya.
Laughed at every little thing that was against the rules.
Alright my gengs, my boy, welcome back with me Renaldigilbert. Bagaimana kabar kalian my gengs, my boys? Semoga kalian baik-baik saja. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Everybody sing a song of duda-duda. Di video kali ini my gengs, my boy, kita akan melihat ini porno. Tidak. Kita tidak akan melihat porno ya. Kita akan melihat ini mantan pemain porno ya. Yaitu Maria Ozawa. Ini dia makan makanan Indonesia ya. Tidak perlu berlama-lama my gengs, my boy. Langsung saja kita jam into it. Oke, Maria Ozawa sudah menjadi YouTuber sekarang ya.
Hi guys, this is Maria Ozawa. Welcome back
Halo.
to my YouTube channel.
Iya.
Today I am here in Izumi Garden, which is located in Roppongi area, because
Okay.
I wanted you guys to know where's the best Indonesian restaurant that you can find in Tokyo. And me personally, I like this restaurant here.
Surabaya Wayang Bali
It's
ya.
called the Surabaya Wayang Bali.
Iya.
It's really good. And
Very
they
good,
have lots
yeah?
of spicy food also, which I love. So I want to recommend to the people who don't.
Saya terbayang kemana-mana melihat dia ya.
What I like to pick out and the drinks.
Makan apa?
And of course this spicy selection. It says in Japanese, super hot nasi goreng, which is
Nasi
super
goreng.
good because I love nasi goreng and I love.
Oh, dia suka nasi goreng ya?
So let's go get and order the food and try it out. Let's go.
Let's
I
go.
ordered rendang daging.
Rendang itu pasti
and
enak ya.
sate ayam.
Sate ayam enak ya.
And nasi goreng.
Nasi
as
goreng.
well. Mie goreng.
Goreng.
Mie goreng. Extra spicy
Okay.
mie goreng. And the
Apa lagi?
martabak teller. I don't know if
martabak
I'm saying
telur.
that right, but I hope I said it that right.
Ya,
And
benar
let's
itu.
see how it will turn out. Okay, so while we are waiting for my orders to come in, we will do a short Q&A about me and how I feel about Indonesia. Let's go.
Oh, kita sudah been to Indonesia. Berapa kali Anda ke Indonesia?
I think I've been to Indonesia, Bali and Jakarta, maybe like 2 times each. So,
2 times each.
Jakarta 1 time, Bali
Jakarta 1 kali,
2 or 3 times.
Bali 2 atau 3 kali, oke.
Usually I stay in
Di mana Anda
Bali.
stay di Indonesia? Oh, dia stay di Bali. Think about Indonesia people.
They're
Okay.
actually really nice. Their hospitality is
Oh, bagaimana menurut Anda orang-orang Indonesia? Mereka sangat baik-baik walaupun setiap kali Maria Ozawa ke Indonesia selalu dikecam.
it's cheaper than in Japan, so
Oh,
it's
lebih murah dari Jepang.
so it's
Oke.
easier to shop around, and people are very friendly there.
Oh, orang-orang sangat friendly di Indonesia. Oh, mendapat testimoni yang bagus dari Maria Ozawa ini. How many fans in Indonesia? Did you do some kind of event before? Ada event kah?
No, not event, but before I did.
Dia
I
bikin
shot
film.
2 horror movies.
Iya, dia membuat film ya saudara-saudara. Dia baking film dong kalau orang Manado bilang.
One,
Dua.
2 or 3? 2 horror movies.
2
and
horror
1
movie ya.
event.
Can you speak the Indonesian language? Tolong ya, yang jago-jago bahasa Inggris tolong ralat saya ini bodoh bedebu.
Though I can't speak
Coba,
Indonesian
Dam.
language fluently, but I know a few words.
Apa? Kata-kata apa yang Anda tahu dari Indonesia?
Which is
Apa?
very fast because it's cantik. They
Cantik,
always
oke.
tell me, oh cantik Mia.
Cantik Miyabi, bukan kantik.
So I'm like, oh thank you. And then I asked what it means, and it means beautiful. So I was like, yay, thank you so much. And of course, everybody knows terima kasih. It's thank
Terima kasih.
you very much. And that's, people use it everywhere in Japan also. Then the other one is saya. Like, I heard people saying saya before to me, and I was like, I wonder what that means. But I never had the chance to explain it. And then when I went to the Philippines, masaya means happy. So I was like, wait, I know this word.
Saya itu artinya bahagia di Filipina, soalnya Maria Ozawa tinggal di Filipina ya.
And then she said it means I like you, or like, the word like. So when they say, oh, miyabi saya, so that means, I thought they were just saying they're happy, but then in Indonesian word, it means like. So that means they're saying they like me. So I'm very happy with that.
Oh, sayang, bukan saya.
Ato, one more, bosku.
Bosku. Miyabi Maria Ozawa tahu bosku. Lihat.
Ato, one more, bosku.
Bosku.
When I have a video shout out for the Indonesian fans, they tell me to say hello bosku, which means hello bosses around me, boss, or something like that. So that's for.
Bosku, what kind of work would you want to do when you go back to Indonesia? Kerja apa atau apa yang akan kamu lakukan ketika kamu kembali lagi ke Indonesia?
But since I did 2 movies, horror movies, maybe it would be fun to do some kind of like an event, like car shows, or they have a very nice beach.
Oh, dia suka kalau ada car show atau apa? Di pantai mungkin?
At the beach.
Event
Or
yang ada di
maybe
pantai?
like a melodrama. That would be fun.
Drama, okay. Shooting film drama mungkin, okay. Say something to your fans in Indonesia.
Hi everyone, this is Mary Ozawa. Thank you very much for always supporting me and
Iyalah, fans Anda ya. Muncrat anjing. Fans Anda, Maria Ozawa yang ada di Indonesia selalu support Anda loh. Dalam keadaan suka maupun duka, mereka cinta Maria Ozawa. Selalu, always.
I'm really happy for all the support that you give me ever since I had debuted in this industry, and I hope that you guys will still continue supporting me. And
Yalah, mereka akan selalu support Maria Ozawa selama Maria Ozawa berkarir.
try my best for you guys not to get sick of me. I don't know, that's not the right word. But anyways, I'll try my best to entertain you guys. So I hope you guys will keep it up. I'll keep up the good work, and let's do this together. Love you guys.
Love you. Sekarang sudah ada apa ini? Mie goreng, rendang.
Okay, so the first 2 food came. This is extra spicy.
Oke, ekstra pedas mie goreng.
Mie goreng. なんで間違えんだろう? This is mie goreng with extra spicy hot sauce. So imagine how extra
sambal,
spicy it is. It's already extra spicy. I got extra spicy sauce. So that's that. And this one,
Saya lapar.
I forgot. It's a stew of Indonesian version, which is called
Rendang.
rendang daging. Yeah, that's like that. I think it smells like lamb. I don't know why, but it's like it smells really good. So I am going to start eating these 2 first. Of course, with the chopsticks.
Oke,
Yay! Okay, I'm gonna try with the
mie goreng.
extra spicy one first.
Oke, aduh saya lapar melihat dia makan. Ini bukan main, bagaimana? Coba Anda makan
Itadakimasu.
mie goreng. Itadakimasu. Oke. Waduh, lapar. Berkecamuk pikiran saya, lapar ya. Itu.
It's not spicy at all.
It's not spicy at
Okay.
all. Tidak pedas sama sekali, tambah dong sambalnya. Dia bahasa Jepang kok saya teringat Attack on Titans. Sate. Saya lapar. Buka sajalah. Tidak usah makan-makan ya, buka saja.
Yes, this is my favorite satay.
Sate.
I love this. Whenever I go to Indonesia, I always get this platter. It's so good. Hi.
Kok baunya sampai sini? Saya sudah halu, ini bukan main. Saking laparnya ini bukan main.
Okay, so I was in middle of eating this, and then it wasn't spicy at all.
Tidak pedas sama
So
sekali.
I'm going to add
Tambah sambal.
the spicy sauce. And let's see how spicy that's gonna be.
Coba.
So I got 2 spoonful.
Oke.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try. Oke. Makan. Makan Maria. Ini baru lapar sesungguhnya saya ya. Bagaimana?
Kalau
Jangan pakai bahasa Jepang dong. Ini saya tidak mengerti ya. Bahasa Inggris dong. Bagaimana?
I've been eating too much spicy food.
Oke.
This doesn't taste spicy at all. And I think something is wrong with me.
Tidak pedas sama sekali ya dia rasa memang. Makan dulu itu rendang. Oke. Enak sekali itu pasti. Sudah ku bilang.
Oh my god, this beef stew of Indonesian version, this one, is so good. It's so tender. And the beef literally just melts in your mouth.
Ya.
Once you eat it, it's oh my god, this is so good. I think
Iyalah.
I've tasted this before when I went to Bali. It says in the Japanese description that
Ini
it's like
martabak
the
telur ya,
Japanese
malabar.
Indonesian version of the omelet. And I agree because it is like an omelet. Let's try this. And I'm gonna put the spicy sauce also.
Oh, oke. Makan. Enak kan? Enak dong. Oh,
Oishi. Very, very good.
very very good.
Wow.
Lapar
And
saya.
it's really crunchy. The wings. I love the wings. It's really good.
Dia suka ujungnya ya, sayapnya ya, crispy, crunchy. Lapar fix lapar saya ya.
Super good. This all good. The last,
Sate.
my favorite dish. This is my favorite because of the peanut sauce.
Oh, dia suka saus kacang.
So good. Okay, I'm gonna put this also.
Makan dulu ya, pakai sambal ya. Oke. Enak tenan.
This is so tender. And the peanut sauce, best combination.
The best combination.
It is so nice.
Kombinasi yang sangat baik saudara.
Let me try one more. This one. Spicy chicken satay.
Oke, itu super spicy ya,
Let's
sangat
see
pedas.
if it's really spicy.
Mari kita lihat apakah itu sangat pedas katanya.
I've been told everything is spicy, and as of now, nothing is spicy for me.
Iya, kayaknya doyan pedas dia, tapi dia tidak merasa pedas sama sekali dari tadi ya. Enak.
The taste is really good. I wonder, this chicken is like really tender. It's really
Daging
nice and mild,
satenya sangat lembut katanya.
but it's not spicy.
Tapi dia tidak pedas katanya memang.
Because the street food when I tried it in Indonesia, I think I went back 2 years ago.
Oh, dia makan di
Everything was
abang-abangan
good.
ya.
Rice was good.
Di Bali.
The sauce,
Sate,
the chicken,
nasi,
the
ayam.
satay. I love Indonesian food.
Oh, dia sangat suka ya makan Indonesia. Wih,
Perfect taste.
perfect taste ya. Rasanya sangat sempurna.
I am definitely coming back, and I hope you guys will check it out.
Dia pasti akan kembali lagi ya.
Whoever is in Japan right now and near Roppongi area, you should try this place. It's very, very good. Everything is so good so far. If you have time, please come to this restaurant. Maybe you could find me also.
Ya mungkin begitu aja gengs my boy kita video untuk hari ini ya saudara ya tentang Maria Ozawa ini makan makanan Indonesia ya. Nantikan video-video berikutnya ya gengs my boy, jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe, everybody sing a song of duda duda. See you in the next video. Dadah.